Hello friends, this is Adesh and Mayur from Tech Googly, and today we are going to present the unboxing of HP G62313AX. As you can see, I've ordered it from flipkart.com and it got delivered to me within 2 days. Very nice packing, as you can see, very good handy packing. So let's start with the unpacking of this laptop. Got it delivered within 2 days off. So hats off to the Flipkart service. So we have pretty much have opened the box. Now let's see. Oh, this is the bill of this laptop. As you can see, the price quoted here is 37,990 rupees, including tax. And this is HP Pavilion G62313 laptop, quad-core processor, 8 and 6 GB memory, 1 TB hard disk, which is sufficient for storing all your videos and all, with DOS. Actually, I wanted a laptop with DOS since I am already having the registered version of Windows, and 2.5 GB graphics. Wow. So let's see. As you can see, the bubble packing is quite nice to avoid damages. So here we go. We have a bag here, HP backpack. Let's unpack this as well. Oh wow, a superb bag. Let me just open this as well. So the HP Executive Bundle backpack comes along with this beautiful laptop. Amazing. It has got the quality is very nice. The bag looks good to me. Satisfaction. Amazing. Yeah, so here we have bag. Comes along with our HP G6 Pavilion. And now let's come to our main motor. Let's keep it aside. So as you can see, this HP laptops come with AMD processor. It's actually A10 4600 variant, and it's a gaming laptop. Let me just open this as well. So the MRP written over here is 40,013 rupees. The Flipkart delivered it in 38,000. Yeah. Is the right location to open it? So as you can see, it has got a very nice packing. Oh. So here we have our HP G6 laptop So let's check out the accessories first, what comes along with this, and then we'll deep dive into our laptop. So we have a user manual guide, HP DVD CD, and we have a user manual written some technical support numbers and all. We have a step-up instructions. We have got a 60-watt charger along with this, and a battery, 6-cell battery, which is quite enough to run for 3 hours as per the reviews I got. So here's the battery, guys. Looks very sturdy. And the second part of the charger, and that's it. So that's it from the accessories part. Let's keep them apart, and we'll come to the laptop first. We have got a very nice packing for. So again there is a tape. So here we have our HP G6 laptop. Let me just open this. Wow, it is sparkling black color, and you can almost see your face in this laptop. You know, a very nice Chiclet Island keyboard. It's very easy to type, and from the back it looks very sexy, frankly speaking. If I just turn this, and it looks quite good. So let me just see. So this is the exhaust outlet for the outlet, and then we have a HDMI port here. Then we have USB here. We have two USBs, and so we have got one USB 2.0 and two USB 3.0 in this sexy laptop. So 10 times much data transfer, 10 times much fast data transfer here. And then we have a mic, headphones, and then card reader. That's quite good. It's quite surprising that we don't have indicator lights over there, but who cares? We are worried about our laptop only. So we have got on indicator over here, as you can see, just right there, and we have a hard disk indicator as well. There is a USB 2.0, and we have a Kingston lock. This is the optical drive for this DVD writer and reader for this laptop. So it's not that much heavy as well. I mean, it's 2.47 kg. So if you just compare this laptop with the modern Ultrabooks, it's quite heavy, but that is quite portable. You can just keep it along anytime. You can just take it anywhere. But if you are a frequent traveler, this might not suit you, because go for Ultrabooks. But if you want a 15.6-inch laptop with this sparkling black color, then I think this is the best deal available. Now here we have the power button and the speakers. In the reviews I have heard that they are quite good, all tech advanced audio. And here we have the touchpad, quite it has a texture kind of thing, so your hand will not slip off, or it will not stick. And as you can see, the main stuff, the A10 Vision processor we have here, and it comes along with the A10 processor, graphics processor. This laptop comes with a 1 TB hard disk as well, so you can keep all your music, videos, documents, movies. It will be sufficient, more than sufficient, I think. and it comes with 6 GB RAM. So all your games, I think most of the latest game can be easily played on this laptop. And we have got a very beautiful display of 1366 into 768 pixel display, HD bright view widescreen LED backlit display we have. So now comes to the graphics processor. We have a APU version in this laptop. So for those who don't know about the APU, we have the graphics processor included in our main processor. So 512 MB is included in our main processor and 2 GB is discrete. So it's very sufficient for all your latest games. This laptop comes with 1 year accidental damage protection, and there is an offer going on currently on HP. So you can just get 2 years additional warranty in just 3,000 rupees. So let me just include the battery as well in this laptop, and just I'll just power it on. So although it has got only DOS, I may not be able to give you a demonstration of Windows, but still, let me just plug in the charger here. So yeah. So I'm on with the charger now, and I am going to start this laptop. Wow. So it's giving me some DOS commands, as you can see. To choose English, I should press 0. So we have only got DOS here, so we can't just get into this laptop. I'll be covering more on this laptop, gaming reviews and display, sound, everything. Let me just install the driver. So there's only one thing which you will lack here, that we don't have drivers here, so you'll have to download it from HP website, but that is not a painful stuff. So you can get it. So the keyboard is very nice. If you just press buttons, it's quite responsive as well. And here we can see the HP HD webcam, right? So overall, I'll give it, the look wise especially, I'll give it a 8 out of 10. So it's quite impressive. Looks are very good. It's not that much heavy as well, so you can easily take it out. And let me just review if I have left anything. So we have pretty much covered everything here. So it has got the clock speed of 2.3 GHz with turbo core technology of up to 3.2 GHz. So that's quite impressive for gaming laptops. Then we have a DDR3 2.5 GB of graphics memory, which will not let you down, believe me. Then we have Dolby Advanced Audio.
Shit, अभी बैटरी है.
चलो ठीक है.